Hello everyone, Jeff with the Green Review here. Wasps are an essential part of most landscapes as they control populations of many insects. The majority of wasp species are the size of a fruit fly. There may be over 100,000 species of parasitic wasps, which is more species than all of the vertebrates in the world. Some are parasitoids and some are predators. Most parasitic wasps are very small. Most are less than 1/4 inch long. The female lays 1 to a couple dozen eggs in an insect adult larva or pupa. The wasp larva eats the host insect. It may stay inside to pupate, or it may burrow out and pupate on the outside of the host. This tomato hornworm caterpillar is covered in many pupas of a brachioid wasp. Notice the size of the adult wasp. Technically, parasites let their hosts live, so these wasps are actually parasitoids because they kill the host. Some parasitoid wasps are parasitoids of other wasp parasitoids, making them hyperparasitoids. Parasitoid wasps are available for purchase, but unlike the praying mantis and green lacewing predator insects, these wasps are often very specific as to the hosts they use. They may be specific to aphids, tomato hornworms, cabbage moths, or many other insects. Buy the one specific to the problem insect that you have. The predator wasp stings and paralyzes an insect and carries it to the nest to use as a food for the larva. Hornets, paper wasps, yellow jackets, and many other predatory wasps spend the winter as mated queens. They start each summer creating a new colony. If you've had problems with them in the past, there's no guarantee that a new colony will be a problem. Since they eat many caterpillars and other problem insects, it's often best just to leave them alone. If a new colony starts up in a bad location, get rid of it as early as possible while the number of new wasps is low. Males hatch and mate in the fall with a new queen. All the males and unmated females die with the first frost or even earlier, and the nest is left empty. These bald-faced hornets make paper nests that are only used one summer. Each different colored line on the paper nest was created by a wasp eating a thin section of wood from a piece of unpainted wood, such as a fence, deck, bench, or birdhouse. Some of the ichneumon parasitoid wasps are huge and very dangerous looking, but harmless to people and pets. The female uses a very long stinger, 3-part ovipositor, to deposit eggs in the tunnels of wood borer insects. Cicada killer wasps drag parasitized cicadas to their underground nests. Sometimes the cicada is too heavy for the wasp to fly very far, so it carries the cicada to a high point, jumps off and flies as far as it can until it hits the ground. It then climbs another object and repeats the process. If you're the high point, it is scary to have the wasp crawl up your leg carrying a cicada, but it won't sting you. Wasps have a bad reputation, but they are beneficial insects, shouldn't be killed if they're not in an area that bothers people or pets. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.